Hi everyone, welcome to the Marty Sites YouTube channel. In this video today, I'm going to be showing you how to use the platform to build a website for your homeopath practice. If you've just stumbled across this video and you aren't familiar with Marty Sites is the easiest way to launch a website. You can literally launch your own website in less than a minute. It's really affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available. So click on the link below this video, sign up for the free trial, and give it a go. See how it works for you and your small business. Once you've joined the platform, it's going to go ahead and ask you to search for your market over here. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses, solopreneurs, people with side hustles. However, if you just stumbled across this video and you don't even have a homeopath practice, you have another small business and you can't quite find the template listed here, do comment below and let us know, and we will make sure we add that one. So I'm going to head to the top here and search for my market. I'm going to search for homeopath. There it is over there. I'm now going to select that template. Now Mighty Sites needs a few basic details about my practice so it can work its magic and create a one-page website for me. Now I'm going to go ahead and put in my company name, Rochelle's Homeopath Practice. I'm now going to put in my city and my region. It doesn't matter where your homeopath practice is located, you can use the multi-site service. We have users from all around the globe. I'm now going to change this to service and click on continue. Awesome. There you have it. Marty Sites has literally created a one-page website for me in less than a minute. Let's take a quick browse through it. Great. The beauty of Marty Sites is we've pre-selected all the images for you. We've pre-written all the content. There's the image. We've pre-written all the content to make your life as easy as possible when it comes to launching a one-page website for your homeopath practice. However, if the image is chosen and the content that's pre-written for you just doesn't work for you and your business, you want to make a few amendments, that's completely okay. I'm going to walk you through the whole process just to show you how easy it is. You don't need to know any website coding. You don't need to have a huge budget for a web developer. You can literally do this all yourself in a couple minutes. So I'm going to work my way through from the top to the bottom just so you can have a little bit of a look and feel of how the platform works. I'm first going to click on update section at the top. I'm going to go ahead and put in my email address over here. I'm now going to click on show email on site. So my email address is displayed here in the top right hand corner so my patients can easily get in touch with me with their queries. I'm now going to put my phone number in over here. Customers can easily click to call over here. It is clickable. Address, let's go ahead and pop that in over here with our postal code. That's now displayed in the top left-hand corner of my Marty Sites page. Customers can click on it and be taken directly to Google Maps to get directions to my practice. Let's make sure that's saved and click on Update Social Links. Let's put in our Instagram page over here and our Twitter page. Feel free to give us a follow and let us know how the service is working for you, how you are enjoying Marty Sites. There is an option for LinkedIn, YouTube, and Facebook as well. Icons are displayed here in the top right-hand corner. Let's click on Save and move along. Okay, now perhaps the colors used for your homeopath practice that have been pre-selected for you don't work for your branding. Perhaps you want something a little bit more neutral or to go with your business cards and the branding throughout your practice. You don't need to know any color coding. All you need to do is click on the paint bucket over here and go through the different various color palettes available to use. I want something really neutral for this one. So I'm going to go ahead and select this one over here. I think that's really suitable for my homeopath practice, my branding I've been using. I'm going to click on save, and as you can see, it's now used throughout your Marty Sites page. Very happy with that color palette. I'm now going to click on update section over here and head over to upload logo. If you don't have a logo yet, that's completely okay. It will just display your name here and it still looks really professional. However, if you do have one, let's browse from your device and upload one. There we go. I'm now going to click on save, and my Mighty Sauce logo is now displayed there. We can make it bigger and smaller to suit our needs. So I'm going to go slightly bigger. Happy with that. Click on save. Let's close that. Now, again, images are pre-selected for you, royalty-free, content pre-written to make your life as easy as possible when it comes to creating a website for your homeopath practice. However, you can amend it by clicking the update section. Let's head over to update image. You can browse from your device and upload one of your own. Otherwise, search through the photo library. There are hundreds of images to choose from, all free to use. Play around with the terms a little bit just to see what comes up. I'm going to say natural medicine and see what comes up for that one. So that one was really suitable. I like this image. I'm going to use that one. I'm going to select it and click on save image selection. That looks really great. Happy with it. Let's close it. And let's go back there so we can update the content, change the contents over here, content that's pre-written to suit your needs. Over here, we can link the button to various places. So if you have an appointments app that you use, go ahead and leave it as a schedule an appointment and choose link to another website and pop your calendar booking websites over here like Calendly. I'm not sure which one your homeopath practice use, but if you're old school and you only take appointments via a phone, click to head actions and put click to call. Directions is another great option so your patients can find you easily. But I'm going to leave this one as click to call. There is an option for a PDF as file as well. So you can upload a PDF file maybe of your rates for your practice, how much you charge, and how long the consults are, stuff like that. Pop it in a PDF file and upload it here. But I'm going to leave this as click to call, click confirm, and leave it as that. So I want to leave it as schedule as appointments and click save content. And there we go. Let's move along. Again, another section over here that you can change the contents and change the button to link to various places by clicking on update section. Wow, we made our way onto our updates us section. Put a little bit more details of your patients. Do you deal with babies, pregnant women? Do you perhaps cater to pets as well? I know some homeopaths do that. The remedies that you prescribe, are they certified? Are you board certified? How did you get into the industry? Put as much information here as possible. Your patients would love to just get a little bit more background information on you. Great. Another option for an image over here, search through the photo library or upload one of your own. Over here is a really another beautiful spot for a high quality image. I quite like this one still, so I'm going to leave it as is. But if you need to change it, click on update section over here. We've now made our way onto our services section. Over here, you can put a little bit more details of the patients you see. Do you treat anxiety, allergies? What do you specialize in? Put all the details over here. Image can be amended, of course. We've now made our way into the last section of our Mighty Sites page, the form so customers can get in touch with you and you can capture leads. Once your customers have filled in it and submitted it, you will get notified via email. However, you can also find them in the site dashboard, the leads that have come via this form. I'm going to take you over there in just a second. Let's just take one last look of the websites. I've literally launched in less than 10 minutes. I've amended it. I've gone through the different colors. I haven't need to know any color coding skills, any web coding. Haven't needed a huge budget for a web developer. I've done it all myself and I have absolutely no experience with web development at all. It's that simple. It's only going to cost you $9 a month and there is that free trial available. So click on the link below this video, sign up and give it a go. You've got nothing to lose. See how it works, how easy it is to use. I'm now going to head to the top and click on stop editing. I'm now going to head to site dashboard. Over here, I can find the forms, the leads that have come in via that form at the bottom of our Mighty Sites page. If you have a custom domain, you can connect it over here in the site dashboard as well. If you are struggling, there is a YouTube tutorial available on our channel as well as a blog post over on our website at www.mightysites.com. Great. So I hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your homeopath practice. Really wishing you and your practice mighty success. If you have any suggestions, queries, anything like that, comment below and let us know, or drop us a social media message. We'd love to hear your feedback. Don't forget the thumbs up for this video.